We've got a lot of stuff to go through, so let's just get right to it. This right here is the outer box for a product called Hatteker. This is what the unit looks like when you take it right out of the box. It's got a thumb compressed slide on it to make the top of it go up and down. And when you turn it on, a light comes on and it tells you how many minutes of use it has left. Stainless steel blades, IXP7 waterproof, so you should be able to use it in the shower or wash it off. Got 90 minutes of working time, 1.5 hours to charge it back up. You have a nose and ear trimmer. You have a detail trimmer, an edging trimmer, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 separate beard combs that you would use depending upon the thickness and length of your beard and the look that you're going for. This would be the body hair or intimate trimming attachment. You get a tray to store everything, a manual so that you know how everything works and where to put it. Here's the charger, and a comb, a cleaning brush, and a little bit of blade oil. This particular attachment goes with the edging trimmer, and I have already adjusted it to where I like to have my beard, and we're going to use that to trim with. The head just clips on like that. It's pretty simple. I think I have found a new technique with this thing. I have to say, with this trimming head on it, doing that little flick thing that I was doing, that is a new technique for me, and it seemed to work really, really well. This thing has done an excellent job. It was extremely comfortable, very easy to use, very sharp blade, very smooth trim, and people seem to love this thing. Now I know why. This is a really, really great beard trimmer with a lot of accessories. Now, I try things for a living, but sometimes, you get something that's just a little tiny bit exceptional, and this time I did. I'm really glad that I bought this beard trimmer. Really happy to be able to present it to you guys in this video, and I really hope that you enjoyed watching it. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to leave me a comment, because I like getting to know you, and your comments are how I get to know you. Don't forget to go out there and have a wonderful day, and don't forget to go out there and have a wonderful life.